Struggling with a garage door that won't open or close? This frustrating issue could stem from problems with the opener, remote control, sensors, or even a simple power outage. Don't let a stuck door disrupt your routine. If you're in the Shellharbour area, call our team of qualified garage door repair professionals at 0409 774 111. We're here to provide fast, reliable service to get your garage door back in perfect working order. Reach out today and ensure your garage door is as responsive as the day it was installed.